Off to Sema. It's a first class flight. See how this goes. It's only a 2.5 hour flight. We should be good. Not that long. I'm tired as hell. Got no sleep, but none.
You're like, whoa, I feel freaking impossible.
First class, not bad.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to welcome you to
Look at this wide body E30. I think I've seen this somewhere before. Well, look at the metalwork on this. Wow. Have I seen this somewhere before online? I don't know if these are 3-piece wheels, but I really like how there's no exposed hardware at all. I think nowadays you can do these kits with hidden hardware. I think would look a lot cleaner. And also that rubber thing connecting it to the body. I don't know. Clean R34. I don't know, I'm being nitpicky here, but could have put a little bit of tire shine on there. Other than that, clean. What kit is this? Again, exposed hardware. I'm not a fan of exposed hardware, but this looks really, really good. 2 different set of wheels. I'm not the biggest expert on wide body kits, but which wide body kit is this? Nice clean E92. Now, me and my boy Isaac have a disagreement between which looks better, the E90 or the E92. I prefer the E92. He prefers the E90. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Got Evo down there. Let's take a closer look at it. Yeah, gold TEs. Can't go wrong with that either. Damn, that looks really good. I don't know. I think I was told this is a G37. Some kind of kit on there. What do we got here? Alright. Another clean looking FL5 on the CEs. Damn. Love it. Nice. These wide body GTRs go pretty hard. Oh yeah. You guys know I'm a big fan of the 3RS. God, this is absolutely legit. Dream car. Total bucket list dream car right here. Wow, look at the wrap on this. Like shift from green to like purplish pink. It's legit. Any Z fans on here? Oh, these look alright. I just like the Supra a lot better. Hey, look at this M2. Guys, I'm really liking the M2. I'm loving the wrap on this. I wonder what color this is. And the wheels too. Fitment looks on point. Look at that. I love it. Bro, wagons are calling my name, man. But this right here, closer look at it. Absolutely a fan. First Sema experience. My first time here, and I'm just glad that I was able to get in, guys. So I don't know what the hell I'm gonna film. I don't know where I'm at, but with that said, I'm just gonna film whatever. So SVJ, all right, pretty much. Yeah. That's one on that Ferrari too. Sidebond booth. Look at the Type R. I like the FL5s. I don't care what anyone says. I think that I like this look better than the FK8. Of course, you can't walk by a P1 and not film anything. This is dope. Damn. I'm not gonna lie. This looks really good in person. And up close and personal, you know, I was skeptic. I'm not gonna lie. But seeing this up close and personal, I can say, big props, man. This is a kit that I don't think anybody else is going to do. Trying to look for any flaws or anything like that. Nothing really. I'd have to look a lot closer, spend more time with it, but overall, this is sick. That makes sense. I think it's pretty cool to watch something being built online and then seeing it up close and personal, seeing the finished product up close and personal, I should say. YouTuber spotter. It's weird. The OG guys, what's up? Yeah, this is just icing on the cake. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't bring my gimbal, so I don't know how this footage is gonna turn out. Might be all super duper shaky. I'm trying to keep it still as best as I can. But yeah, sorry about that. Koenig wheels, all right. I don't know if I'm really a fan of Koenig, but their wheels look pretty nice. But I wouldn't consider them top tier, but these look pretty cool though. I noticed one of the big things that there's been more and more carbon fiber wheels that are coming out. Like these ones look pretty nice. Carbon fiber. Cool. Just wheels and wheels and wheels. This one looks pretty cool. Now, there are a lot of companies that never even heard of before. Of course, you can't pass by a Sena and not take a picture. Dude, look at these. Wow. Trying to find, a wheel company that has designs that, fits my needs and my like. But I can see a trend going on, like this beadlock look right here. I think it's getting more popular and popular. I'm seeing more and more of those from companies. Oh yeah, Super with the Adro kit. I saw this online. Didn't think I'd find it, but here it is. That wing looks really, really good. Some tried and true track tires right here, the AR1 and the CRS. Full carbon right here. I'm seeing more and more cars with full carbon. Look at that Alcantara dash. Wow, this is legit. Single turbo S58. Here we are at the CSF boot. This is legit right here. Really digging this look. All right, closer look at the turbo. Single turbo kit, obviously. Wonder what turbo that is. Dude, look at this. Carbon fiber. God, I just love the rear on this. Jesus, this is a dream. The wrap is cool too. It's like, the wheels are really not my thing, but the overall car, yes, I could see myself driving this, using it as a daily, and enjoying the hell out of it. If they sold this here in the States, I would definitely be an owner of a G81. Nice, nice, nice. Eventuri. If I were to get an Eventuri kit, I would go with the matte carbon, not the glossy carbon. I think the matte carbon looks really, really good. Look at this R32 right here. David, you would love this, dude. I don't know anything about RB26s or GTRs in general, just a little bit, but I don't know, something about this just looks really, really special for some reason. Bro. Dude, full carbon on here, on this R32. We're here at the Gritty booth. I just can't believe just the work, the cleanliness, the whole execution of this is absolutely magnificent. Wow. All right, back outside at the Toyo Tires booth. Saw a Supra, so I figured I'd have to go check it out. Advan GTs. What wide body kit is this? Looks really good. I just love how it is. Like, there's no exposed hardware, which you guys know by now. I'm not a really big fan of, but it's just clean looking. Adro wide body kit. Now, see, this is what I'm talking about right here. No exposed hardware. You get the hidden hardware. I think this comes with. You don't have the stupid rubber thing around the wide body kit. Absolutely amazing. Love it, love it, love it. Let's just take a step back and look at the whole kit right here. The back 3/4. Amazing. I think the GR Pros look really, really good in person. With modifications on it. This is cool. Check this out. Look at the interior. You got seats, Alcantara wheel and everything. But this Beamer. Take me back to 1987. The 190E here. You don't see a lot of these very often, but this is just wicked clean, that interior. Wow. This is pretty cool right here. Seeing this up close and personal. You got homeboy right there. But yeah, I dig it. TJ's. I gotta give it up to him, man. He's doing it. But I really, really like this kit. Look, you can see, of course, obviously, it's been used. Of course, used and abused like it should be. Manual Supra. Cool, we got this dude, Matt Armstrong. Dude, I've been following this guy and all his builds. Dude, that's like legit seeing him in person. course, you got Mr. Obsessed Garage right here, seeing him in person. Pretty cool. And Tommy F, yeah. Rich Rebuilds. Wow, this is amazing. I'm telling you, I'm really loving the M2. I don't know, something about it. It just hits right with me. I don't know what it is. The front end, not so much a fan of the rear, but I don't know. See, this is what I'm talking about. If I was going to get the Venturi kit right here, the matte carbon is the way to go. 100%. Even the engine cover too. Now, if you look at these wheels, for some reason, these wheels fit the car very, very well. Wow. HREs are on point. Something a little different than the usual. I know this car got a lot of hate when it came out, but once the aftermarket got to the M2, I really, really do like it now. So the question is, would you prefer an M2 or a Supra? With that wing. Well, looking at the interior, I really, really like the big screen on the later model BMWs. Wish I got that one. I don't know. Some people don't like it, but I really do like it. Of course, the must-have option, carbon buckets. I think it's cool how they made a window sticker of it. Total $202,000. Pretty cool. Man, you just can't go wrong with any of these at all. Or if you had to pick, which one of these would you go with? I don't know, hard to choose. But this right here, wow. Millennium Jade. This is just perfection right here. LS Swap Subaru hatch. What do you guys think? Improvement? Yes or no? Wow. How about this color? I fully approve of this color. Wheels, wheel fitment. So we got another M2 right here. You know, see, the thing about the M2, it looks small online, but when you see it in person, it's a really good sized car. I really like, see like the back hips, really like that. Just how wide they are. It's just, I don't know if I'm totally sold on the rear end design of the taillights, the rear bumper, but other than that, I really do like it. I think this is an air intake system that they are promoting. Seeing a lot of the BRZ FRSs here at Sema. A lot of products are coming out for these, and really popular car here at Sema. But I guess this is an actual track car. Don't know much about these, to be honest with you, but they do have my interest. I just don't know if they're worth the $35,000, $40,000 that they're asking for. I don't know, man. I don't know about this one, but this right here. Now, what is this? I know nothing about this. Okay, all right. Just filming things that catch my attention. Here's one of them. Check this out. What is this? Wow. Let's step back just a little bit so we can see the whole car. Full carbon fiber body. So I don't know how this color is going to turn out on camera, but this orange is really, really cool. I know it probably looks red on camera, but it's a very orangey-ish color. So this is supposed to be the 45th anniversary edition Supra. Not exactly sure what that entails. I know this is different. That should be stock. And I'm gonna take a look at the literature and see exactly what is different about this 45th anniversary edition Supra. All right, this is gonna feel weird sitting inside of a Supra, because you guys know I used to own one. Of course, it's a manual. Just imagine if this came with the S58 and all-wheel drive. Looks like it's more of an appearance package than anything else. For a P1 on the BBSs? Yeah. With the chameleon wrap?
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I will soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my broom. Hop in the car, watch it go
back outside. Check this out. Right here. On the BBSs too. Gated. It's cool to see this in person. Adam LZ Supra. Dope. Tell me about this. 911 GT3 Cup Evo. Oh, R33 in the back. Look at that. What's this? Happy hour? Oh. Never mind. It's invite only. Yeah. Oh well. Wow. I honestly thought this would be a crap show in person, but it's not. Not bad. Cool.
Yeah, it's got
What?
like plexiglass.
You got a big ass turbo right there?
Look at this suspension.
What? You got 2J in there?
So crazy.
What?
That's a trip, driving and seeing the road.
Yeah.
Right there.
The door cut out and everything?
It's like the
That's
Sema.
pretty cool.
I rode in Dan Sena. You could just see the white line.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
That's weird. That's a trip. Look at the wheels too. Damn.
Those wheels.
Look at those.
I love
Oh yeah. Nice wheels.
I feel like it.
Turbos. What? This looks legit.
Like, look at that front.
Yeah.
He's got
Alright, first day of Sema done. I didn't really record much because, man, I was so tired, man. I ended up taking a really long nap, and here we are after dinner. Did the zip line. I didn't record either. And, yeah, really not much, but I did see quite a few cool things over there at Sema. We'll be filming there tomorrow, and yeah, should be some cool stuff for you coming.